In this video, I am going to tell you how to download and install AutoCAD software. So I have downloaded already, but I am going to tell you where you can download it from the internet for free. So simply go to your browser and type get into PC. Click on the very first website. Now go to the search bar and in the search bar enter AutoCAD 2021 or the version you want it to install or download. Click go. These are the some AutoCAD 2021 versions. Click on it. And you can simply start download by clicking on this.
In this video, I am going to tell you how to install AutoCAD software. We have previously downloaded it. Now go to the folder. Simply click on the setup and the extraction will begin automatically. This is the location where your files are going to be extracted. This may take some time. After the extraction, the installation window appear on your screen. So you have to install this AutoCAD software in your computer. So click on install on this computer. Accept the terms and conditions. Click next. This is the location where your folder is going to be installed. Click install. Now wait for the installation. This may take some time. Now make sure when the installation is completed, you don't have to launch the AutoCAD software. This is a warning because I have also installed the AutoCAD 2013 in my device. Click OK. Now don't launch it. Just close the application. And now go to the folder where you have what you have downloaded from the internet. Now click on this crack folder and copy this file from crack folder. And paste it into the device folder where your software is installed. Remember, when you are pasting it in that folder, the Windows gives you the choice that this file is already installed in this folder. So simply replace the file. Click continue. And your software is installed. You can start making drawings in the software. These are some custom settings. Click OK. Now this is your drawing area. Now click on the files, because when you save a drawing in AutoCAD, you have to save it with DWG drawing extension, so you can know that this is the drawing file. Now I am going to teach you how to make a 3D piston. Open the software. You can click on this icon or simply press Ctrl plus N for opening a new blank document. Click open. Now first you have to go to setting bar and enable 3D modeling. Now tap twice the middle mouse button to give it to existence. Now go to the polyline command and enter 0, 0 to start from origin. Bring it all the way right and enter the distance 23.5 units. Now bring it all the way downward and enter radius 4 units. Then on left enter 3 units. Then again down 2 units, and for right 3 units. Repeat the steps for a couple of times. Enter 2, then left 3 units, then again down 2 units, then again right for 3 units, 3, press enter, 2, and press enter, then 3, press enter. Now bring it all the way downward for up to 30.5 units. Now bring it to the origin and slowly move down for the visibility of tracking vector. But don't click until the both tracking vectors appears. Click and then click on the origin. Then press enter to exit from the command. Now we are going to use fillet command. Enter radius 1, press enter and select the lines you want to fillet. And then go to modify panel and click join to join the whole geometry into a single polyline. Now go to the revolve command, select the object, press enter. Now specify the first point, click, and then on the second point click and press enter. Now we don't need this geometry, so we are going to hide it. Now again go to the polyline command, enter coordinates 0, 0 to start from the origin. Now bring it downward for 4 units and then to the right for 18 units, and then again downward for 12 units. Then on left for 8 units, then again down for 12 units, and then to the right for 10 units. Now bring it down for up to 4 units, and then 1 unit to left, and 1 to down, and 1 to right. Now bring it all the way to the downward up to 30 units. Now again move it to the origin for the visibility of tracking vector. Move it down slowly and click, press enter. Now you are going to use trim command, press enter, click And now we are again you going to use revolve. Select the object, press enter. Now specify the initial point, click, and now end point. Click and press enter. Now go to the home button. Change this 2D wireframe into shaded. Turn off the grid because we don't need them. And end the object isolation. Now we need to subtract this geometry from this geometry. So press enter. Now this really looks like some piston, but we have not done yet. Now go to the top view, select the object and again hide it because we don't need it at this time. Now again go to the polyline command, enter 0, 0 to start from origin, bring it all the way downward up to 35 units and then towards right for 20.5 units. Press enter and now down for 9 units. Press enter. Now go for tracking vector, click and then click and press enter. Now we are going to use trim command. Click on trim command and press enter and click on the line. Then we are going to use fillet command. Click on radius, enter 9, press enter. Now we want to fillet these two lines, so simply click on these two lines. Now we are going to make a mirror image of this drawing geometry. Select the geometry, press enter. Specify initial point and end point and press enter. Now go to the trim command, press enter and trim the line. Click on join command and join this whole line into a single polyline. Go to the home button. Click on extrude from modeling panel. Select the object, press enter. And now enter the radius 50 but in negative, so we want minus 50, enter. Now go to the press pull, select the line and enter 50 and press enter to exit the command. Now hide and object isolation. We are not finished yet. Now go to the press pull command, select the line and enter 5 units. Press enter. Now we are going to subtract the lower part from the upper part. So go to the subtract command, select the piston head, press enter. Now select the lower part and press enter. So the final geometry will look like this. Go to the top view, click on parallel for better view and now click on rectangle from the draw command. By clicking the rectangle, specify the point with at 21, 14. Press enter. Now go to the move command from modify panel, click the object and now we want its middle point, so go to a snap override and middle point. Now move it to the center of the piston. almost to the tracking vector. Just make sure it will lie in the center. Now go to the home button, and this is the rectangle which you have placed now. Now go to the move command again and move it upward up to 23.5 units. Go to the move command, select the object, press enter and move it up to this tracking vector for 23.5 units. Now this rectangle will appear on front. Now use the extrude command again. Select this rectangle, press enter and enter the radius of distance of -2 units. Press enter. Now we want this rectangle on the parallel side also. So go to the modify command and click on 3D mirror. Select the object, press enter and now simply click on XY on the command line. Press enter and again press enter. So now you can see that it will appear on both sides. The next step is to subtract this rectangle from the piston head. Select the piston, press enter. Select the rectangle and rectangle, press enter. Our piston head is almost ready. The final step is that you have to go to the top view again, select parallel, go to the circle from our draw panel and draw a circle in this almost center of the piston head. And enter the diameter almost 9. And now we have to go to the home button again, select press pull. This time select the circle and bring it all the way downward, but don't click, simply press enter. And our final piston head is ready. It is now completed. So we have just completed a 3D drawing of piston head.